In today's video, I will teach you how to create a studio quality resume photo using AI. Let's get started. First, go to Photo or AI Headshot Generator. Now, you'll be prompted to choose your type of headshot: individual for personal or solo resume photos, or team if you're creating a group style or team portraits. If you choose individual, you'll also select your gender identity: male, female, or non-binary. This helps the AI generate more personalized and accurate results. Now we're going to start the headshot generation process. After selecting your gender, click the Start Generating button, and you'll see a wide range of headshot style previews, including business formal, studio white background, modern, soft light, and more. Use the style category filters at the top to narrow down your search. You can select 3 to 10 styles to try, and you can click a style preview to select it. And to deselect it, simply click it again. You can also choose styles labeled free if you want to generate your headshot at no cost. And take note that even pro users must pay for premium styles, but free styles are clearly marked. Once you've chosen your styles, click the Continue button, and you'll now be directed to the photo upload screen. You'll upload one clear image of yourself that meets these guidelines. And make sure to avoid group shots, dark lighting, side angles, covered faces, or poor quality selfies. And after uploading your image, Photor's AI will take a few seconds to scan it. When the Generate button appears, make sure to confirm your previously selected styles, but you also may be shown a few additional premium styles, but you can skip them. Now click the Generate Selected to proceed with only the styles that you chose. And once Photor finishes processing, your AI-generated shots will appear on the screen. Now, click any image to download it directly, or open it in Photor's photo editor for further tweaks like background color, brightness, or cropping. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.